the ins and outs of the stock market. When most people think of the stock market, they instantly think of the possibility of making money from investments. The stock market does offer the opportunity for financial gain, but only if you play the market correctly. The following video will give you information on how to invest in the market correctly. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. Base your portfolio on a steady foundation of strong, solid stocks when investing for the long term. Active trading can prove profitable in the short term, but it requires a great deal of time and dedication. If you cannot pay constant attention to the market, purchase reputable, consistent stocks and hold on to them. It may seem counterintuitive, but the best time to buy your investments is when they have fallen in value. Buy low/sell high is not a worn-out adage. It is the way to success and prosperity. Do your due diligence to find sound investment candidates, but don't let fear keep you from buying when the market is down. Familiarize yourself with past performance of each company that you contemplate investing in. Although past successes aren't definite indicators, companies that do well often also do well in the future. Profitable businesses tend to expand, making profits more possible for both the owners of the business and the investors, like you. Protect your money. Protect the profit that you have made through investments via a stop-loss order. This is placed with your broker telling him/her to sell when the stock goes below a certain price. People who are new to trading should set their stop-loss order for 10% below the price they paid, as this prevents last-minute emotional decision-making. If you want safe stocks to buy and then hold for long-term results, find companies that feature 4 facets. First, you want see proven profit with any kind of earnings over each of the previous 10 years. Second, look for stock dividends paid out once a year for the last 20 years. Also, look out for high interest coverage, as well as low debt to equity ratios. When making assumptions regarding valuations, be as conservative as you can. Stock investors typically have a unique habit of painting modern events onto their picture of the future. If the markets are good, the future looks bright all around, even though downturns and volatility are bound to occur. Likewise, during a downturn, the whole future looks dim and dark with no turnaround, even though this is not likely. As stated before, people think of the stock market as a chance at lots of money through buying and selling stocks. Money can be made through the market, if you follow the rules of the market and invest correctly. Use the information from this video and you can reap your own financial gain from the market. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega whining trader, Barthélemy MC.